Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook oil roti. Start by combining your dry ingredients, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Gradually pour in about 1 cup of warm water, mixing until a soft, pliable dough comes together. Now, knead this dough for a good 5 to 7 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Finally, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a tender roti. While your dough rests, let's prepare the special oil paste that gives oil roti its unique flakiness. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir these together until you have a smooth, thick paste. This simple mixture is the secret to achieving those beautiful, distinct layers in your finished roti. It's a key step for that authentic texture. Now let's get to shaping. Divide your rested dough into 8 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it out into a thin, 6-inch circle. Next, spread about 1 teaspoon of your prepared oil paste evenly over the entire surface of each circle. Tightly roll the circle into a log, then coil that log into a spiral shape. Gently flatten this spiral into a 4-inch disc, ready for cooking. It's time to cook. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium-high heat. Place 1 flattened roti on the hot surface and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. You're looking for those beautiful golden brown spots to appear. For extra crispness, you can brush a little oil on each side as it cooks. Serve your freshly cooked oil roti immediately with your favorite curry or chutney. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.